Hey guys, welcome back. I've got another fun DIY project for you today. I'm going to make 2 sets of cornhole games. A friend of mine was wanting to make one as well, so he's going to come over, he's going to make the regulation size, and I'll be making the smaller tailgate size. I've got some plans, I'm going to draw them up real quick, so I'll show you what I got. I'm going to start by sketching out the tailgate size cornhole set that I'm building, and the regulation size that my friend is building is going to be identical to it, except the measurements will be a little bit different. I have the sketched up plans finished, and I want to be able to make both halves be able to fold up and clip together with these 2 clips on either side, and then I'll put a handle on there as well so it can easily carry it around, move it from place to place, and store it easily without it taking up much space. And this blue down here that I have sketched in is just representing the paint that I'm going to paint on here. I'll put in this design after I sand it down and assemble it all together. I'll tape this out and paint it. Now for the size, it will be 2 feet wide and 3 feet long. The regulation size is a little bit bigger. I think it's 4 feet long instead of 3 feet, and 3 inches high, and then 6 inches in diameter for that circle that the beanbags will fall into. Now for the legs, I'm going to be using 2x4s, and I'll attach those with a bolt, and they'll be able to fold up easily into the cornhole, and the 2 halves will be able to clip together. We're going to start by trimming down the plywood to the dimensions that we need and cutting everything before assembling it. We'll be using these 3-inch pieces to go around the border of the cornhole set, and we'll be attaching this with this big jig, and we'll drill the holes in and then screw it down to the top. Now I'm going to be marking the center of the cutout that we need to do for the hole, and I'll be measuring from a couple different sides to make sure I have the center of the board. So you can see here we attached the side pieces on with those holes that we pre-drilled with the Craig jig, and here's the two different sizes, the regulation size on the right and my tailgate size on the left. The next step is to make the legs that will fold down and hold up the cornhole. Here we're just marking the edge of the legs. We want the top where it bolts to the board to be rounded, that way the legs can fold down and back up. The holes on the board are drilled, and now we need to drill the holes for the legs. But it's crucial that both of these holes are lined up perfectly in the center, or else the legs will get hung up and stuck on the plywood as you try to open it. The legs are attached, and now I'll mount the clips that will hold the cornhole set together, as well as the handle to carry it with. Alright, here's the finished frame of the cornhole set. I'm just finishing up mounting that handle, and you can see right here you can easily carry it, move it around, set it up in no time at all. This isn't finished yet, but there's still a lot of work left to do on it, so I'm going to upload a part 2 video of all the work I go through to finish this and get it ready to play. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and like I mentioned before, I will be uploading a part 2 for this, finishing off this cornhole set. And so if you enjoy this one, just keep an eye out for that. And don't forget to hit that like button down below, or subscribe if you have not already. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.